Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We're back with our tokenized stock update. We're trading it through FTX, currently the second biggest exchange out there. Link will be down in the description. So we've been trading tokenized stocks for about 6 weeks now, and the profits are brilliant. I really can't complain. But it has come time to expand the amount of stocks I'm trading. So in my Telegram, I've put up a poll. Which tokenized stocks should we add next on FTX? The Telegram link will also be in the description. Join the Telegram and let me know which one you think we should be adding next. I'll probably be adding it tomorrow with my next update video. Leave your thoughts, let me know which one you think should be added. So let's get to our update. Our first update, or the stock we've been trading since day one, is Tesla Doge. The opportunity to trade stocks against crypto is brilliant. You can even trade Tesla against Bitcoin. Just a few options of trading stocks against crypto, but it is fun, believe me. If you look at this chart, every single red and blue arrow is buy and sell opportunities. Blue is entering the market and red is selling for profits. As we can see, our buy limit order is missing. That means we need to put in a new sell take profit for that buy limit order that got triggered. Our sell take profit is going to be at 10,347, and we're buying and selling 0.03 Tesla at all times. You can put in our sell. As you can see, it's just been added, and our new buy limit order is going to be at 9,518 Dogecoin. It's added here, 9,518 Dogecoin, and we're trading 0.03 Tesla at the time. We can add it, and you'll see I just need to readjust it because it's not a take profit. I'm going to put in a limit order. Everything is set up. Our new buy limit order will get placed. Now I'm just going to move over to TradingView. Look at Tesla Doge and readjust my lines. As we can see, it jumped beneath and it triggered my buy limit order. So my previous entry, the green line, is becoming my next sell take profit. The current yellow line is my latest entry, and the next yellow line is my next buy limit order. Moving over to look at my alerts, we can see it triggered and it alerted me. I'm going to readjust the alerts so they suit and set with the trades. I'm setting alerts because it just makes it so easy to know which trades triggered and which tokenized stocks to look at. There we go, our Tesla Doge is back in place. Let's see, the next one we started trading was SPY. Just looking at this 4-hour chart, it doesn't seem like SPY did anything. It's currently moving sideways between my buy limit and my sell take profit. But we'll go up to the chart and just double check it. As we can see on the chart as well, our SPY is still moving sideways between our levels. No complaints because I'm in for the long run. Amazon. We got into Amazon after the stock split. Looking at this chart, it didn't do anything since yesterday's update. Looking at our chart of Amazon, quite a bit of sideways movement, not much, moving between $110 and $108. No real movement currently for Amazon, besides a lot of sideways movement. And finally, our last one is Google. Looking at this 4-hour chart, also a little bit up and a little bit down since yesterday. Not much movement, just taking it easy and steadily. We go over to our Amazon chart. we can see sideways movement as well. A lot of movement basically between 2,166 and 2,185 before it finally broke. Will it go down to my buy limit, or will it correct and move back up towards my sell take profit? So currently in the last 24 hours, not much movement on the tokenized stocks. Are they consolidating? Are we getting ready for a big move? What's going to happen next with it? Leave me your thoughts. What are your thoughts on the current stock market? Are we going to see rapid moves, or are the market just going to trigger all the way? Moving back towards all the different stocks, we have quite a few stocks, but let's look at the list. I got PayPal. Their trading volume the last 24 hours, $126,000 on the exchange. Looking at Netflix, $14,000 trading volume. Apple, $10,000. So the trading volume is not that big on tokenized stocks yet, but the market is moving and it's creating opportunities. I do enjoy trading the tokenized stocks. It's something different, something unique, and it creates opportunities. And the biggest benefit of trading tokenized stocks on FTX is the fact that it's 24/7, just like crypto. Yes, over weekends you can trade them as well, and that creates more opportunities. I don't like markets that closed. If we look at this chart, it shows we're outside the US market hours, but yet again, our market is moving. Who wants to trade just certain times? Trading for me is probably an addiction. I love it, and I just keep on building around it. Looking at this Tesla Dodge, there's a lot of profits that's been made already, and the market just keeps on moving. Dodge is volatile, Tesla is volatile. It creates massive opportunities. Go to my Telegram, link down in the description, and vote. Which stock should we be adding next? Leave me your thoughts and concerns, and let's make some gains. And if you haven't yet, remember, smash that like and subscribe button. Let's keep on growing this community. And as soon as possible, I'll be back live streaming as well. But until then, we'll keep on doing our update videos. Have a great one.